Alright, Joms TV Media on a Friday night, and galing tayo ng South at minute natin, nag-shoot tayo kay Sir Chino De La Cruz and kay Doc Mark Perez. Na kay Sir Chino De La Cruz of Toyota Camry Elite, kay Doc Mark of Retro Ride South. Yun, shoutout dun sa dalawang grupo, shoutout sa inyo. And sobrang thank you talaga dun sa kanilang dalawa for finding time on a Friday na napagbigyan tayo to shoot and to feature their car. So guys, abangan niyo yung full video nito on our YouTube channel. Sobrang solid. Yung kay sobrang solid ng kotse ni si Sir Chino. Tapos ang kay Doc Mark, ang nakakatawa, kwento ko lang guys ang nakakatawa dun kasi umulan, ang call time namin was 4 PM. Unfortunately, umulan. So we have to sit down dun sa coffee shop. Shoutout nga pala sa mga taga Villar City. Sa Crossing Cafe. Doon muna kami. So nagbanding kami. Dami ko natutunan, daming nag-share. Well, it was a good conversation. Nagbanding kami. Akala namin hindi na matutuloy. Tapos biglang sumikat yung sunset. Biglang nag-sunset. Yung sunset sobrang ganda. Guys, tignan niyo yung video. Ayan, nandito dyan sa link na yan, dyan sa baba. Yan, yung video na yan. Tignan nyo. Grabe, sobrang kulit, sobrang saya. Sobrang nakakatawa. Pinagbigyan tayo ng Diyos na humupa yung ulan at pinagbigyan tayo makapag-shoot. It was a beautiful shoot. It was a beautiful day. Thank you, Lord. Maraming salamat sa araw and the weeks past. Yun. Oh guys, please like and subscribe our channel so we can create more videos like this para makapicture pa rin tayo ng mas maraming magandang kotse. At saka of course, event, car show, car meet, lahat, motor, bike, lahat pwede natin i-feature. Only at Joms TV Media. Okay, have a good Friday, have a great Friday, have a great weekend. Shout out sa lahat ng mga friends natin sa Toyota Camry Elite at saka sa Retro Ride South. Yun. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless and enjoy your weekend. Thank you. Joms TV Media. Bye.